In the 19th century, the sleepy town of Titusville, Pennsylvania, was about to be transformed. Amidst the vast wilderness, the ground tremored with an unexpected discovery: oil. In 1859, a man named Edwin Drake, a former railroad conductor, embarked on a daring endeavor. He drilled a 70-foot deep well known as the Drake Well, marking the birth of the modern oil industry. Drake, a man of tenacious spirit, faced numerous obstacles. The townsfolk ridiculed his venture, believing it to be a foolish waste of resources. Yet, Drake persisted, fueled by his belief in the untapped potential of the black liquid seeping from the ground. The crisp autumn air echoed with the rhythmic clanging of iron on stone as Drake and his team labored day and night to complete the well. The townspeople, initially skeptical, watched with growing curiosity as the site became a bustling hive of activity. Finally, on August 27, 1859, history was made. A fountain of oil gushed 20 feet into the air from Drake's well. The townsfolk were stunned, their skepticism replaced with awe. The oil rush had begun. News of Drake's success spread like wildfire, attracting entrepreneurs and investors from far and wide. The once quiet town of Titusville was soon transformed into a booming metropolis, the epicenter of the burgeoning oil industry. The discovery of oil marked a significant turning point in history. It fueled the Industrial Revolution, powering the machines that transformed the world. The oil industry, born from a single well, became a colossal empire, shaping the course of human civilization. Yet, the story of the oil industry's beginnings is not one without consequences. The pursuit of oil led to environmental degradation, conflicts over resources, and the rise of corporate power. The black gold that brought prosperity to some also sowed the seeds of exploitation and inequality. The tale of Edwin Drake and the Drake Well serves as a reminder of the double-edged sword that is progress. It is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of resources, yet a cautionary tale of the cost of unchecked development. As we look back at the origins of the oil industry, we are reminded of the pivotal role it played in shaping our world. We are also reminded of the lessons it teaches us of the importance of balancing progress with responsibility, and of the need to consider the consequences of our actions.